need to talk to you. So I'm standing at your door. Can you hear me? And I'm not sure if I should knock, if I should walk away, 'cause I've been here before. Can I have a minute of your time? Even though you know my heart, all the words I want to say, I've been finding it so hard. Lord, I find it hard to pray. I'm doing things I should not do when I should depend on you. I can't depend on myself. I need your help. Lord, I need your help.
Jesus, I need you.
Oh yeah,
I need you right now.